Hey, what's up? 22 Acura Integra 1.5 liter engine turbo. I'm gonna do oil change maintenance today. So the first step you're gonna do is find the hood release. There you go. Make sure that the engine is off. There you go. Step out of the car and open the hood. Alright, so the hood release is here. So you wanna push it to the right and up. That one is a release.
Wow, let's see this
Hood prop. Prop goes in there. So if you were to open it, you wanna go that way. Alright, so this is the 1.5 turbo liter engine. Open that up. Open that up. Look around, see if any leaks. Visually check for any damage, leak, or sort of stuff. Fluid check for any fluids. It's time to lift the car up. Let's go. Alright guys, so vehicle is up. So if you're going to do this at home, you want to jack it up. You want to jack up here or here. You want to jack up here or here. Alright, so the first step we're gonna do is it's pretty similar to the Civic. Remove this, 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 and that. Alright, so 4 of these type of screw, 4 bolts. To remove this, slide it that way. The transmission, this is the engine, oil pan, oil filter, drain plug. Alright guys, so let's loosen the drain plug. Alright, so you need a 17 mil socket. Loosen that up. Loosen this up. Alright guys, so when you're removing the drain plug, be very careful. Make sure that you have the pan ready underneath. I have this all the way up because this thing is gonna burst out. It's gonna burst out really fast and strong. So that's draining. Remove this. Alright, so while that's going on, I'm gonna check the tire pressure. I'll get you guys back when it's done draining. Alright guys, so first take this off, let that thing drain. Oops. Get the drain plug ready, clean it up, put new washers in. Got it cleaned up. Here I got new washers. There you go. Get your new oil filter. Make sure that there's no gasket on the surface there. Usually they get left behind on aftermarket, but not on Honda OEM oil filter. So tighten that. Get a rag, make sure you tie that really tight. Don't use any tools. Hand time is enough. Get the drain plug. Snug it up. Nice and tight. Spray some brake cleaner. so. Give it a good wipe, nice and clean. There you go. So that's done. The draining part and putting new filter is done. You just gotta put the cover back on. Alright, so the cover is back on. So what you wanna do is you wanna put it in this way. Make sure that that clip and the cover goes on top of it. Alright, so that's how it goes. Line the holes up. Oops. All the holes are lined up. And you're ready to put all the screws and the bolts in, alright? Alright guys, back to the top. I'm gonna fill it up. 3.5 liter. Let's go. There you go. Just let it sit there. I'm just gonna fill the washer and then I'm gonna check the level after that. Alright, let's check the level. Insert that in. Hard to focus here, guys. See those two holes? One bottom, one top. Alright, so you want to go past the top hole. Alright, so which is a good level, 3.5. And then when you start it, 10 seconds, turn off the car, check the level, and that oil level should go to that top hole. Alright, so I'm pretty confident that the oil capacity that I put in is good. So I'm just gonna finish the job like that, guys. So if this video helps you guys out in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the maintenance oil life. You can have the engine running but not on drive. You can have it just like on position, and then you want to wait till this one finish loading up. Press OK. Want to go to all apps, then go to vehicle settings, or you can actually just go to look for the vehicle setting right here and then go to maintenance info, select reset item. So I did oil change, which is A, all do items, reset, done. Alright, so that's how it's done, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.